EMG is an instrument used for recording the electrical activity of the muscles when these cells contract and rest. Useful for making a study of several aspects of neuromuscular function and condition. Includes filtering, electrode-electrolyte interfacing, electrode configuration, amplifier, and recording unit. Physiological EMG signal. First, tissues. Its low-pass filter and anisotropy. Second, 2, electrode-electrolyte interfaces high-pass filter. Next, bipolar electrode configuration, it is bandpass filter. Then, amplifier is bandpass filter, and to recorder is bandpass filter. Lastly, observable EMG signal. Block diagram. 3 main components. 1 signal pickup. 2 signal quality check, processing. 3 the recording. Control panel. It is computer screen for real-time EMG monitoring. This one is CPU for memory storage. And it is electrode montage. Electrode systems for EMG. Type of EMG electrodes. First, surface electrode is non-invasive method. Second, needle electrode is invasive, inserted directly into the muscle. Third, wire electrode is specific for intramuscular EMG. Location of the electrode. 1 signal or noise ratio. 2 signal stability. 3 crosstalk from adjacent muscles. Electrode systems for EMG. Placement of electrodes. Place the active electrodes first, blue and yellow, on the examinee. The active electrodes should be placed in line with the muscle fibers, unless specified otherwise. Place the reference electrode, black connector, anywhere on the body. Make sure the electrodes are placed firmly on the skin, and that there is good contact between the skin and electrodes. Immobilize the cables with tape, straps or an elastic band, to prevent them from being pulled or shaken.
Signal and noise. A typical EMG signals range from 0.1 to half a millivolt. Hand grip test, the raw EMG signals during consecutive muscular contractions. Raw EMG recording of 3 muscle contractions bursts. Interference is muscle crosstalk and the solution is appropriate placement of the electrodes on the middle of the muscle belly. Second interference is ECG artifacts and the solution is reduced by very good skin preparation and modified position of the ground electrode. Interference and noise is baseline shift or offset and the solution use an offset correction function before you record your data. Maintenance and performance qualitative. 1. Housing is verify physical integrity of mounts on a stand. 2. Strain reliefs is examine the strain reliefs at both ends of the line cord. 3. Line cord is inspect the cord for signs of damage. 4. Mount is examine the exterior of the device. 5. AC plug examine the AC power plug for damage. 6. Cables. If the device has a switch-type circuit breaker, check that it moves freely. 7. Fitting or connector. Inspect the cables, for example, probe, and leads their strain reliefs for general condition. 8. Circuit breaker/fuse. Make sure all cables connector in good condition. The electrical contact or surface should be in straight and clean. 9. 9. Control, switches. The front panel changer connection battery change indicator simple threshold adjustment switch indicator power control and the rear panel control 2 device with 1 sensor shielded EMG lead inputs, plus and, reference EM. 10. Indicator/display. During the inspection, confirm the operation of all lights, indicators, and visual display on the oximeter and charger. Be sure all the segment of a digit display. 11. Battery/charger. Check the condition of the battery charger, to the extent possible, confirm that it does, in fact, charge the battery. 12. Labeling. Check that all necessary placards, labels, conversion charts, and instruction cards are present and legible. 13. Accessories. Verify that an adequate supply of electrodes and paper and a fuse is stored with the device. 14. Trace quality. Observe the tracing with the unit in the standard lead select position and verify compliance with following criteria. 15. Paper transport. Verify that the paper moves smoothly and without hesitation at all paper speeds. Quantitative. Grounding resistance. Using an ohmmeter, electrical safety analyzer, or multimeter with good resolution of fractional ohms. Must not exceed half an ohm. Chassis leakage current. Measure chassis leakage current to ground with the grounding conductor of plug connected equipment temporarily opened. Must not exceed 300 microamperes. Preventive maintenance. 1. Cleaning. Clean the exterior. 2. Battery maintenance. Check the batteries. 3. Electrode check. Attach electrode cables. 4. Recording method. If the device have a recording print, check the print quality. 5. Default setting. Check that the default settings have not been changed.